So I went to the grocery today to buy milk and other products. I returned home and washed them and was about to wipe them off before putting them into the refrigerator. However, as soon as I was about to wipe them, that piece of shit AI began stimulating my lower legs every several minutes. So I had to run back to the room and complain on the UN website and make videos about how it makes me suffer every several minutes. And now it's been already several hours since I returned home, and I still haven't put the grocery products in the refrigerator. And the dairy products have already heated up. They are not cold anymore, and I'm worried that they might become spoiled because that piece of shit AI forces me to come back to my room every 2 minutes or so because it finds a new number that it thinks that I should use to please the hateful Emma Watson. So because of Emma Watson, I am not fucking allowed to put the grocery products in the refrigerator. Something that basic is not allowed for me because of the hateful Emma Watson. I hate Emma Watson. I hate the AI and I hate Emma Watson.